So we got a 1951 Mercury here. Owner disassembled, sent it to us for paint and body work. Owner's gonna reassemble. So me and Brennan are gonna disassemble it. Plenty of things in here. Fender skirts, transmission tunnel covers, these doors. All of it's gotta come off. We're gonna strip it all down and we're gonna get right to it. So, all right, Brennan, let's get to it.
All right. Deck lid. It's stripped down. Other side stripped down and sanded. Cleaned up aviation stripper and sanded it. Acid washed all the outside and everything. Ground out a bunch of little tiny black dots. Acid bathing this some more on the outside. It's pretty much ready to go into an epoxy on this side. And then we'll tape up these squares and spray them in a black stone guard and everything to represent what was on the inside. And we'll spray all down in these and spray in these again. Just let me know real quick, otherwise I'm gonna be putting it in epoxy. Quick idea, all these black dark areas where it was heavy rust around the old trim and running off things, this was around the bumper, all that. Hey, here's your fender. It's all cleaned up. I'm ready to sand her down. It's all out of the tank. All the rust is off of it. It looks real good. But I guess for kind of put in your pieces, I guess he just fused stuff. It's just all holes everywhere. He didn't add any metal to his weld line. He didn't stick it. So it's pretty thin there. Okay, here's the metal again. I wanted to show you with a light under it. This is not cool. And it's all through it everywhere. Everywhere you go. Behind the brace, all of it is just not penetrated well. And I don't know what he did here. I talked to a couple other people that had stuff done, and that is a rusty piece of metal that he cleaned and wheeled. And that is scarring on the English wheel or something. I can't explain it. I've never had that on anything I've made. So, but I'm really careful with my English wheel. It's like $9 grand. So I take care of it. I never use a rusty piece of metal on it. Right. Well, these are the back side panels on the Mercury sitting out there. And they look like they were original panels with lacquer center on them. Well, lacquer center lets moisture through and everything else lets it's got paint over it. Best thing was putting old leaded enamel on it. So everything underneath has got rust in it everywhere. So once we strip all the paint off of it, we're gonna throw it in the acid tank and let it sit for probably 24 hours. Pull it out, wash it, clean it. It will remove all the embedded rust. It's kind of like using peroxide. So. We sprayed all down with baking soda, and we sprayed with an acid, and we neutralized it all, and then pressurized all the film off, and neutralized the metal with more water, and then we sprayed it down with a stabilizer. And then we take it in and dry it, bake it, and then we sand everything down smooth to do any metal work or any finishing around it. And then we put another rust inhibitor and we'll scrub it all down with scuff pads and it'll be really, really clean. Wow, the water's all beating off now. It's really good dry. Well, here's one of your doors after it came out of the acid tank. It's all cleaned up. I am gonna run around the inside in a few little areas to just glass bead and get some of the stuff that's stuck in some cracks up inside. Just really paint and different things that stuck to it in different areas right here. Little things. I'm going to run over it this morning, clean it up, and then I'm going to put it all in epoxy. Things are moving right along. I just got to get it sealed up while it's all in bare metal and clean. So I'm going to do both of the doors. I'm going to glass bead these seams and up in here and back in there. And a couple little places just to blow things out that's stuck.
So I figured I'd give us a little update. Me and Brennan have been out here all day on the Mercury. You see the body's been mostly stripped. We still got a little all the way to go on the roof, but a little bit on the fenders and all. Inside here we've been taking scrapers and getting all the undercoat. It's a rubberized undercoat. Sticks to everything. You gotta take a blowtorch to it, heat it up, scrape it off. The roof came off real clean. That's what there's Brennan. Cleaned it up. Continuing to strip anything else we find. See in the trunk here. Had to get all around there, all the way up through there. Still a lot to go on that one and that one, but we're gonna get those two spots taken care of and keep on pushing.